If you're running Facebook lead ads, you know that getting the leads is only half the battle. The next critical step is to contact and convert them, but this is where all the problems start. First, you have to regularly check for new leads in your Meta Business Suite and manually export them to your CRM or phone. Then, not only do you have to reach out to them fast enough, you also have to keep following up with different leads until someone is ready to buy. Since connecting my Facebook ads to Privyr, I've been able to get instant alerts for new leads and automatically send their details to my phone. While this has been super useful, the real game changer is having fully automated follow-ups sent via WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I use Privyr to automate my Meta lead ad follow-ups, from instantly messaging every new lead to automatically following up until they reply, to using an official Meta integration that automatically trains my ads to target better leads. This set and forget system will save you so much time and effort while helping you convert more leads from your Meta campaigns. Let's get started. First, you'll need to connect your Facebook account to Privyr. This will only take a few seconds as Privyr offers direct integration with Facebook. Simply go to your Automations tab, then click on Facebook. You can follow the instructions on screen to connect your Facebook pages to Privyr within seconds. Once connected, every new lead from your connected Facebook pages will be instantly and automatically synced to your Privyr app. You'll also get instant new lead alerts on your phone. Just tap to view the lead and all their details. Now you can set up a WhatsApp sequence to automatically reach out to new Facebook leads via WhatsApp and follow up multiple times from your own number. A sequence is basically a series of automated messages that get sent across multiple days, weeks, or even months, keeping the lead engaged until they're ready to reply or buy. When they do, the sequence stops automatically, and you can view and take over the conversation directly from your WhatsApp business app. To set this up, go to your Content tab, click on Sequences, then click here to create a new automated WhatsApp sequence. Give it a clear name like Acme Residences New York, new lead intro sequence. This makes it easy to identify, especially when you have multiple sequences running for different campaigns. Next, choose your WhatsApp business number. This is the number all your automated follow-ups will be sent from. If you haven't connected your WhatsApp account yet, Privyr will guide you through the setup right here. Now it's time to add your sequence steps. There are two types: automatic WhatsApp messages and time delays. Tap Add Step to add your first message. This is what every new lead will receive immediately after they've filled out your Facebook lead form. You can pick an existing message template or submit a new one for approval here. Since this is an official WhatsApp integration, templates need to be approved by WhatsApp before they can be sent. This usually takes a few minutes to 24 hours for your first few templates. After your first message, add a time delay. Let's say 1 day. Then you can also add a second or third message if you want. A simple 3-step sequence over 1 week could look like this. Send intro message immediately. Wait 1 day, then send a second follow-up. Wait 3 more days, then send a final check-in. If you want to stay in touch over multiple weeks or even months, just keep adding more steps. Next, you can also configure your auto remove settings. By default, sequences automatically stop when a lead replies to the WhatsApp conversation or if you message them manually from your WhatsApp business app. You can also toggle these options on or off depending on your preferences. Once everything is ready, let's set up the trigger that automatically adds all new Facebook leads to your sequence. You can set up lead automation rules in Privyr to fully automate your Meta lead ad follow-ups. Just create the rule once and Privyr will automatically add new leads to a WhatsApp sequence based on the criteria you set. Here's how to set it up. When viewing your sequence, you'll see this pink button to add automated triggers at the top. Click on it, then tap on Add New Rule. Here, you can start defining what type of leads should be added to which sequence. You can create different rules based on the lead source, custom field values, and more. In this case, we'll select Facebook as the main criteria. You can also specify whether this sequence should be triggered for all new Facebook leads, or only those coming from a specific Facebook page, or even a specific Facebook campaign. Next, this is where you select the sequence those leads should be added to. This is automatically populated from the sequence you started on. And if you have a team, you can also select who the lead gets assigned to. Once you're done, click Create Rule to save. You'll be redirected to your lead automation rules list, where you can create as many rules as you need. This is useful when you're running multiple Facebook lead ads at the same time, which may feature different products or offers. You'd want each lead to receive automated follow-ups that are relevant to what they signed up for. Running multiple Facebook campaigns at the same time? Here's how to ensure Privyr automatically triggers the correct WhatsApp sequence for new leads coming from different campaigns. You simply need to create a separate rule and WhatsApp sequence for each campaign once. For example, I'm currently running 2 separate Facebook campaigns for 2 different properties I'm selling, one for Acme Residences and the other for Storybrooke Homes. Depending on the ad they came from, I want prospects to receive automated follow-ups with details about the correct property once they submit the form. Here, I've already set up the 2 lead automation rules that will help me trigger the right sequence. My first rule specifies that leads captured from my Acme Residences Facebook campaign are automatically assigned to the Acme Residences new lead intro sequence. The second rule specifies that leads captured from my Storybrooke Homes Facebook campaign are automatically added to the Storybrooke Homes new lead intro sequence. Now, all new leads will receive automatic introduction messages and follow-ups from me on WhatsApp, which differ based on the campaign they come from. Every lead gets a relevant, personalized follow-up, and you don't have to do a thing. Do remember that your lead automation rules run in order, where only the first matching rule applies to each lead. So if you have multiple rules, make sure to arrange them in the right priority. As you're using sequences to engage and convert more leads, Privyr can also automatically train your Facebook ads to attract better leads that are more likely to convert. This is powered by Meta Conversions API. As a verified Meta business partner, Privyr has this integration built in, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Here's how it works. First, your Facebook account should already be connected to Privyr, as shown earlier. This will instantly enable Meta Conversions API for your account. From here on, whenever you update the lead stage field for your Facebook leads in Privyr, that data is securely sent back to Meta to optimize your ads. For example, you may update a lead status to interested, meeting booked, or purchased. These are conversion signals that help your algorithm understand which leads are considered good for your business. And over time, your Facebook ads get smarter at finding leads similar to those you've converted, thus reducing your cost per qualified lead. You can even update Facebook leads from the last 90 days, giving Meta more data to start learning from immediately. In order to fully utilize Meta Conversions API, you'll need to start running Meta lead ads with their performance goals set to maximize number of conversion leads. To do this, simply go to your Meta Ads Manager and create a new ad set with the following settings. Set conversion location to instant forms, set performance goal to maximize number of conversion leads. Select your data set, which will be named after your Facebook page. For example, if your page is called Acme Residences, your data set will be Acme Residences event data. Finally, choose the conversion event you want Meta to optimize for. This should match the lead stage in Privyr that matters most to your business, such as meeting booked or purchased. You can also run multiple campaigns that are optimized for different lead stages. Once everything is set up, you don't have to do anything else. Meta will start optimizing your ads based on the real conversion data automatically sent from your Privyr account. For better visibility, you can always go to your Meta Conversions API page in Privyr, which is under Account, then Settings. Here, you can quickly check whether conversion events are being sent correctly, how many ad sets are being optimized, and whether all Facebook leads have been updated. And that's how I fully automate my Meta lead ads follow-ups using Privyr. No matter which campaign my new leads come from, they will receive an instant, personalized WhatsApp message from me, along with multiple follow-ups. And when they respond, I can quickly view and take over the chat from my WhatsApp business app on mobile or web. I basically don't have to do anything until someone actually responds. At the same time, every conversion signal is sent back to Meta as I work on my leads, which improves targeting, attracts better leads, and lowers my cost per lead over time. Try Privyr today for powerful automations that do your Facebook lead ad follow-ups for you.